So hello once again. I'm back on my newest Lenovo IdeaPad Pro, recording locally and streaming today on YouTube live service. Before I will continue, let's check out if the stream is working properly. So yeah, let's see. Does it have sound? Yes, nice. So yeah, I'm back on NixOS 26.05 Yarara or however you pronounce it. The kernel is 7.15. I'm using KD Plasma Wayland. Basically you can pause the stream or later the YouTube video when it will be available on my channel, and take a good look at your own pace. Just pay attention to the screen resolution, which is basically 1440p, 2880 by 1800, running at 120 Hz. And today I'm using this full resolution to stream and record, however at 30 FPS. And with this out of the way, I want to say a few words. First of all, for the computer. I haven't used it myself for a while, so I have forgotten how good was it, while using Linux. Performance wise, it's amazing. And the other thing is that no matter how hard I push it, it remains cool to the touch, so to speak. Rarely pick up any temperature. And this is something that I enjoy a lot, and especially on the battery side, or even when plugged, it doesn't matter. Everything works very well. And I don't know if it's the bad thing about the battery. I don't know if it's this AMD platform or whatever, but it's not that good while trying to work hard with the machine. It's maybe I don't know, maybe 3 hours, something like that. Anyway, this is not this video is not related to the computer. I just wanted to mention this. Surely I don't like the web camera at all. I found it despicable. I have older cameras that are better than this one. It just has higher resolution is all. Anyway, I think today it may looking just a little bit better than the first day, or maybe even the second day, yesterday, but I digress. As I said before, we are on NixOS 26.05. Let's check out what is NixOS. Let's use first the DistroWatch website. I'll read a bit. I'll not read the whole paragraph, just a little bit. NixOS is an independently developed GNU Linux distribution that aims to improve the state-of-the-art in system configuration management. In NixOS, the entire operating system, including the kernel, applications, system packages and configuration files, are built by the Nix Package Manager. Nix stores all packages in isolation from each other. As a result, there are no blah 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 directories, and all packages are kept in Nix store instead. Anyway, and then let's go to the official website. I have no idea what this NixCon is. If you are interested, you are welcome. It's in Poland apparently. Anyway, NixOS. Let's just read what it's. Nix first and foremost. Declarative builds and deployments. Nix is a tool that takes a unique approach to package management and system configuration. Learn how to make reproducible, declarative and reliable systems. They have few examples on the website, plenty of good information. As it says, you can choose from over 140,000 packages. The Nixpkgs collection offers a large selection of packages for the Nix Package Manager. For this one, I will show you very soon something. Let's go on download, how you get this Linux distribution. In my opinion, this is easier for the new people or even the veterans. NixOS current version 26.05. You can grab it with a live graphical ISO image. You can boot it from the USB stick and be done with it. 64-bit Intel AMD or 64-bit ARM. Very easy to install, but maybe a little bit trickier in order to customize it. Maybe it's closer to someone who has easier to someone who has used maybe Near Noctalia, Hyperland, you know, such desktop environments and compositors. But yeah, you be my guest, check it out. Anyway, they have a superb NixOS wiki. This is the official NixOS wiki. It includes topics not covered in the NixOS manual, NixOS user guides, configuration examples, and troubleshooting tips. Yeah, so far the customizations have been going well, great even. Let me show you my top panel. Yesterday I said it was like maybe 99% there, but yeah, this is the thing. I have forgotten to put some kind of network upload download indicators, so I have did this one. I have installed this one. It's a special widget. I don't remember the name, but let's see. Simple network speed. Yeah. And yeah, nothing fancy. It just takes a little bit of tiny space up here. All good. I had tried others. I think this is compact. I prefer it better, so I went with it. So right now my top panel is superb. I love it. And then this is my dock. I showed you this the other day. And regarding the Flatpak apps, let me open Flatseal. This one, as you know, always gives me trouble to customize it. Here we are. Perfect. And then let's go with Parabolic, another nasty one. Here we are, both of them. No problem at all. And as you can guess, most probably the rest of the apps are adhering to my theme, colors, icons, etc. But we will see on the stress test about it. Anyway, the veteran among you who will be watching this video or are watching on the stream, maybe you have noticed my cursor is my usual Swedish breeze when I'm trying to successfully make my wallpaper jumper and cursor factory. So here we are. Indeed, both have been a success on NixOS. So let me show you the wallpaper jumper first. Here we are. We are currently on 1273 image out of 1300 something. So let's jump now ahead in 1300, for example. Boom, just like this, instant, no problem at all. This survives, of course, restarts, etc. I love it. And of course the wallpaper, not the wallpaper, sorry, the cursor factory is here as well. So let me try to do that as well for you. Boom. If you haven't downloaded the source folder for this script, by clicking on cancel or X button, it will download it for you. I have it, of course, in my system now, so I will just select it and then click OK. Then I will give a name. Usually I like to call this test a toxic one. And then we will select, for example, I don't know, this green color here for the cursor body color, and this color for the cursor outline color. We just wait a bit, and the cursor is done, ready. So now we have to go on the settings, then on the cursor, and then we can find here the newly created cursor. It has plenty of other size, up to 96. I think these sizes are good for full HD monitors up to 6 or 8K displays, monitors, whatever. So let's apply it now, and boom, as it says here, worst case scenario, you may have to relog your system and everything will go well. And for example, if I will open my Vivaldi browser, as you can see, adheres to this cursor just fine. If I will go to another app, let's go with Kate, just fine. And then let's try Flat Seal, for example. Just fine, as you can see. The size, everything. And then we can try even stumble apps like Krita, for example. Let's check out with Krita. Boom. And yes, here too. No problem at all. And of course, we can do it like this. I can select one of my previous created cursors or create a new ones. Actually, I have created plenty already, so let's just go with them. Let's just go and grab another one. The old users, viewers, not users, sorry, they know that I like this yellow red a lot, more often than not, so let's go with that. Boom. And let's go again, Vivaldi browser, just fine. Let's go in Kate, just fine. And then let's go in Krita. As you can see, no problem at all. So yeah, I think everything goes well, so most probably tomorrow we will do the stress test. Having Final Fantasy XIV loaded on the main CD hub, and then we will try to load as many apps as possible while recording and streaming at 60 FPS. Of course, I'm not expecting much because this system does not have a discrete GPU. As you can see here, it has this AMD Radeon 860M basically integrated GPU. It comes along with this AMD Ryzen AI whatever BS 7350. So we'll see what performance we are going to get, but as I said, the system seems snappy in everyday usage, even while I was using multiple apps like GIMP, Kdenlive, etc, etc, even while I'm doing this recording on a stream. So we'll see. Worst case scenario, maybe in the game will be like 20 FPS, 30 FPS, but this is not a gaming machine, but we'll know more soon tomorrow. Sorry for this. So after that, most probably I'll try to replicate my theming, my rising inside a virtual machine, and if everything will go well, most probably then I will release the manual, not the manual, sorry, the guide that I'm writing almost in parallel with what I'm doing, so I have good progress with it as well, and we will see. What else? Did I forget something? I showed you the websites, I told you about the scripts. Yeah, I think it's safe to say that I have to go away now. So as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!